All right, guys. So just a small suggestion on a tip. When you put these window cranks in, right? Sorry, you guys gotta see this. See how it's beveled out? Goes out like that. Okay. And then crank. Go ahead and take it. Set it inside. What's going to happen is it's a little, if you guys can see, it's a little bull nose there, right? Just take it, center up the grommet, wiggle it, center up the grommet, push again, locked. Alright guys, so first things you're going to do, you're going to come up here, make a gap, and you're going to do what you need to get this pin out. Clip, pin, whatever you want to call it, is locking it. So look at that. Get that out. Pull that. Take this screwdriver out. And then here you got 1, 2, 3. So let me take this out and I'll get back to you. Also for me, I gotta take this off too. So let me take this off and I'll get back. Alright, so got all the trim off. These were a pain, not even gonna lie. Got my spoon. Just go find a clip. Just pry it. Jump over it. Find the next clip. Just pry a little bit. I'm gonna do that the whole way around. Then I'm gonna slip the panel up. Alright guys, so here we go. See, this looks like at one time, looks like this car was originally black, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe not. I don't know. But see, I got the inner skin. Just got to I'm trying not to rip it, but I'll probably end up cutting some new ones out. Panel looks good. No real breaks or anything. All the clips are there. Seal is good too. Right on. I'll see how straight up just on this thing. So, oh yeah, let me show you guys what this window rolls up and down like currently. It's really hard, really tough. That's really tough. I feel like I'm gonna break it. So, look, shake well before each use. Okay, so once again, we're gonna get metal on metal parts. Alright, just gonna spray it up. Get this tube again. Right, look at this. And let's go ahead and try and roll it down. Okay, so you guys can see right inside this hole. It's like that clip came out of place maybe. But I'm gonna just keep spraying. Hey, I finally got it down. Alright. So come here. Spray this. I'll spray that Thank you. Again, I really don't care if I get things that aren't supposed to be greased because it's all metal and it's glass, so I can clean it. But something gotta be done. Alright, I gotta put this down. Give me a sec. Alright guys, so the passenger panel's off. You can see again, no big cracks, no mold. I don't know what that is, but it's not bad. Got the flap for the vent. This should be on that side. But I mean, that's actually super fresh, huh? Super fresh. Take it over here. I don't know whose cart this is, but oh man, look at that, dude. Little gouge up top there, but that's okay. So I'm up here, I'm just watching some YouTube, just some, I don't even know what it is now, but there's enough videos up here for y'all to know what's what on how to build a JZ, how to do the head studs. So I'm not going to get too much into it, but pretty much you see what I'm doing. I'm just screwdriver here, put the head gasket on, so I can see it. Victor Reigns. Go. So we just gonna do all of this. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just get running with the stock cams. All right guys, so today I pretty much what did I get accomplished? I was able to do my windows. I re-greased the all the tracks, got them working pretty good, cleaned up the door panels pretty nice, got them put back together. Right, so accomplished a lot today, got them put back together. What else did I do? I cleaned up the carbs a little bit, then I also did the head gasket and installed my cylinder head ARP studs. I still have to torque them, but they're set in there. So this is one step closer. Right now I'm waiting on the oil pump, and then like camshaft seals, stuff like that.